everybody, and welcome back to another Christmas DIY video. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So today I will be creating the candy dome, and I'm going to be doing it in the shape of a snowflake, but I'm going to show you where you can find a variety of different other dome candy holders. So we're going to hop right on in, guys. So I have Cricut pulled up, and bear with me because I am using one hand. So what I typed in here is candy dome, and when I typed in candy dome, a variety of different candy domes populated. As you can see, there are a lot of them. So nice and pretty. So just go down here through the selection and find you whatever you like, and I chose this one here. So I chose this one, and I'm going to allow my Cricut machine to cut it out, and then we can put it together. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so I have cut out my pieces here. Now originally it just came with these two pieces, but I just cut out this white circle just to add something extra. Okay, now because it does have the opening cut out here, as you can see, I'm not going to glue this down completely. I'm just going to put like a dab of hot glue, just a little bit, because we know kids are going to be able to get into this candy regardless. So no problem with them still being able to get inside, okay? And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to line it up. As you can see, like the hole right here, I just lined that up together, and then I'm just going to place a dab of hot glue, maybe like on each end of the little what am I trying to think about? The little flakes. Sorry, couldn't find my words. So I'm just going to place them on just a little bit, and then I'm going to line it up. I didn't do all of them. I just did a couple because we know hot glue dries fast, so I want to act fast. Okay. And then I would just continue until I complete that portion. Once you have put all your three pieces together, you will have something that looks like this. So now you want to grab your dome, which is pretty much an ornament, the ones that open up on both sides, the little round ones, like so. So I have one in here, and of course I cracked it. I don't even know how I did that, but we're going to keep moving and pushing, right? So I'm just going to place some glue around the rim. Place your ornament right in the center. Try to do it as best as you can, like so. Okay, so I'm just going to press down just a little bit. And as you can see, I had the portion where it's like right here. So what I also did was I made a little bow. Now here is how it looks, okay? Just like this. And then of course you're going to grab your string so you can have it, hang it on the tree if you would like, or you can just keep it like it is. Either way, this is how it turned out. This is the back, of course, so they can open it up from that little tab there. And guys, this is the final project. I think this is really cute. That is the end of the video. Very quick and easy, like I said, and make sure you just go on your Cricut design space and just look at the other options that they have, okay? Well, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned because, of course, we have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.